Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Dear students, in today's video we will discuss about microbes. So, first of all, microbes definition. Microbes are single-celled organisms that are invisible to the naked eye. What are microbes? Microbes are minute unicellular organisms that are invisible to the naked eye. They are also known as microorganisms for microscopic organisms as they could only be seen under a microscope. They make up almost 60% of the Earth's living matter. The term microbes is used to describe several different life forms with different sizes and characteristics. A few of these microbes include bacteria, fungi, protists, viruses, and archaea. Microbes can be used as well as harmful. Certain microbes cause severe infection and diseases and can also spoil food and other materials, while others play an important role in maintaining environmental balance. Let's have a detailed look at the different types of microorganisms and their importance. Now we have types of microbes. The different types of microbes are bacteria. Bacteria are the unicellular, microscopic, prokaryotic microorganisms that contain no true molecules. To no nucleus. Bacteria are unicellular, microscopic, prokaryotic microorganisms that contain no true nucleus. Their cell wall is made up of peptidoglycerine. They have a flagellum that facilitates locomotion. Bacteria are of different types depending on their shapes and sizes. E.g., spherical shaped bacteria are known as cocci, rod shaped bacteria are known as bacilli, spiral shaped spirilla, etc. They produce through binary fission, transfer of genetic material occurs through transformation, transductions and conjugation and through sporulation. Bacteria play an important role in human survival. They break down nutrients in the digestive system into simpler forms. Few bacteria such as Rhizobium are involved in nitrogen fixation. They are also used for making antibiotics and can also be used in agriculture as biopesticides. Dear students, now we have fungi. These can be unicellular or multicellular with the cell made of chitin. They are heterotrophic and cannot synthesize their own food. They comprise membrane-bound organelles. Yeast, mounds, mushrooms are some of the important fungi. They decompose dead plants and animals, extracting extracting nutrients from them. Few fungi are harmful and cause fungal infections like ringworms. The others are used in making antibiotics like penicillin. Fungi such as yeast are used in the baking industries and also in the beer and wine industries. Now we have viruses. Viruses are a connecting link between living and non living. They are non-cellular or microorganisms composed of protein, nucleic acids, and lipids. They are measured in nanometers, with sizes ranging from 20 nanometers to 250 nanometers, and could only be seen with an electron microscope. They contain the core of nucleotides surrounded by a protein coat which could invade living cells. They are active inside host cell and reproduce inside them by infecting living cells. So students, I hope you have understood this topic very well. So see you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.